In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Make. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency, follow along with these steps. First things first, you need to head over to the Make dashboard. You can do this by logging into your Make account, where you're greeted with your main dashboard screen. Here, everything begins, so it's essential to get familiar with this area as you'll often return here for various tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to create a scenario. This is central to integrating and automating tasks between Monday.com and other tools. Look for the option that says Create Scenario and click on it. This action will initiate the process, giving you a blank canvas to build your tailored automation setup. In the new scenario setup, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here, type in Monday.com. This step is about instructing Make on what platform you wish to connect with. Once you see Monday.com appear in the drop-down list, go ahead and click on it to start setting up your integration. Now you have Monday.com selected, and you're faced with various options on what you'd like to happen between the platforms. Look for the task that says Get an Items Column Value. This is just one of several actions you can choose, depending on what sort of data or task integration you're interested in. After selecting your desired action, you'll need to create a connection between Make and your Monday.com account. You'll see an option that says Create a Connection. Click on it, bringing up a new pop-up window. This step is crucial because you're about to securely link the two platforms. In the connection setup, you'll see a prompt to enter your API key. This key is available within your Monday.com account settings. You'll need to copy and paste it accurately into the field provided by Make. Once that's done, don't forget to click on the Save button to ensure that your connection settings are stored correctly. Next, you'll be selecting a board ID from your Monday.com account. This ID represents the project board you want to work with. Click on Test Public or whichever board is relevant to your tasks. With the board selected, focus shifts to selecting an item ID. This ID corresponds to specific tasks or items on your board. Choose an item by clicking on Task 1 or any other item that aligns with your needs. After this, you'll select a column ID, which dictates which data column you're pulling information from or interacting with. You might, for instance, choose Due Date or any other available column that's useful for your process. Finally, to wrap up your configuration, click on the Save button one last time. This ensures all settings are preserved and your scenario is ready to run. And there you have it. Your Monday.com is now successfully connected to Make, ready to simplify your workflow and leverage automation for productivity gains. Feel free to explore further customizations within Make to fully empower your projects and tasks.